Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby here if you're new to my channel. So today this is a quick tutorial for you to see how we install our wigs. So this is my client, my model Stephanie, or Human Stephanie. I guess you guys have seen her in a couple of my videos. She's my younger sister, but she's my model. She always come for a treat, and she modeled for me. So I'm applying Brilliant Potion hair scalp oil. From me, Abby's Gifted Creations. We're on Instagram. I'll be leaving links below, and as well I'll leave a link for you to purchase. Try my product. It's really good to grow your hair, help stop itchy scalp, just healthy hair in general. So all I've done is to cornrow her hair, and I've used gummy hair jam to tame the edges of her hair, and we're gonna simply apply the wig cap, as you can see. And I'll be using my got to be spray to attach the wig cap on her natural hair. As you all know, got to be spray is ideal, is great for even attaching your wig cap. It's fantastic on your hair. It doesn't really damage your hair. It's easy to remove. So that's what we're going to be using now. And I'll be using my wig glue as well. So with the wig glue, I'm just going to go few centimeters away from a hairline, not really far, and we're gonna install the wig, right? So I'm drying the glue now, and when it's all dry, we're just gonna cut the excess wig cap, right? And so this is how I start with it. I cut out the ears out because I do not want to snip or cut her ear accidentally. So I'm cutting excess wig cap, making sure I'm really cutting every bit, every excess on there, and we're gonna leave it as you can see, and we go ahead and install our wig. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, like, comment. Your comments are always important to me. And also please do not forget to hit the notification bell to be alerted or to be notified every time I upload a new video. So now I'm just gonna try on the wig before we install it to see the size and the fitting. If it is great, we'll go ahead tint our wig cap with foundation, and as well we'll go ahead to put on the glue and install the wig. So I'm just checking for perfect fitting, and then we'll go ahead and finish with the installation. So I think it's perfect for her head. It's just the right size and everything is intact. So all I'm doing is to color or tint this wig cap with, I think I was using Dior foundation in the shade 4W. So I like to use my foundation, or you can use a cream to powder foundation, or even concealer, right? And what I couldn't show on the camera is whenever I put on the foundation, or whenever I tint the wig cap, I tend to spray on the wig cap with the got to be spray, the area which I've colored or tinted, just to secure the concealer or foundation inside the wig. So I went on with the got to be spray, and also I used the hair dryer on to dry it, right? So we're now using our glue, lace front glue. I'll be leaving links for every product I'm using, just in case you want to try it. I do like this glue, but it's not my ultimate glue. I mean, it's all right, but it's not my absolute best, right? Yeah, but I tend to use what I have at the minute, so that's what I'm using today. So all we're gonna do right now is to make sure lace the lace front is sitting on the glued area, and I'm making sure everything is glued in, and that's basically it. I'm gonna use an elastic band to melt in the glue, and I'll leave that to sit for a little bit. So we were all, I mean, in the middle of getting ready to go, party. So I'll leave this hairband on, go do my makeup, which I'll be leaving a tutorial very soon for you, and we'll come back with a finished look. So that's all you need to do with your, in terms of your wig installation. That's all you need to do. It's not really hard. I mean, it's doable. You can do this yourself. I do that always myself on my head. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this, and using the elastic band, I think that's the job, right? It really melts down the glue. It helps your lace front to, bond or glue down very well. So all I'm doing now is to cut excess lace away, and I'm cutting right in front of the glued area, and we're just gonna style this team it, make it look best or perfect, right? So what I'll be doing now, just in case there is any area that needs a bit more drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we will do just a teeny bit of baby hair to make it seem very natural, right? And that is basically all that there is. And we couldn't film everything, styling everything, but this is what we got. This is how you can install your wig. Nothing really, dramatic or strange. You can actually do your baby hairs, but she didn't want much of baby hairs, so we did just few, and there will be a video shortly for you to see how she looked. Yeah, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Again, do not forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell always to be notified. So this is the finished look, and there she is. She looks amazing, and she can sing, guys. Thank you for watching. Until we meet next time. Adios. And we're standing here only because you made